Hey everyone, today we are going to walk you through exactly how to customize a quick order form using the Smind B2B app in your Shopify store. To make this super easy to follow, we've broken the whole setup down into 3 simple steps. First, we will create the form itself. Second, we'll customize the form with your specific products and quantity rules. And third, we'll publish the form and attach it to your buyer groups. All right, let's jump right into step 2, customize the form. First, from the Settings tab, click the Appearance tab where you can customize the visual layout, data columns, and design themes. Take a look at the preview box on the right and notice the little mobile icons at the top right. You can click these to toggle views, making sure your form looks perfect on both Office desktop and mobile screen. You can also click the Hide Sidebar icon to bring your form in full width. On the left sidebar, find the Filters section. Here you can toggle the search bar so buyers can easily search for items, sort options for letting them reorganize the list, and bulk import (CSV) options to give wholesale buyers to upload a spreadsheet and fill their cart instantly. Scroll down to decide what details to show. Toggle on Product Image for visual thumbnails, SKU for part numbers, product type, and vendor. I highly recommend toggling on Inventory Status to show exact stock amounts and the discount badge to visually highlight their savings. Next, you can toggle Show Volume Tier Badge to indicate bulk deals and Show Tier Breakdown in Row to display exactly what buying 10 plus or 50 plus costs. Turn on Show Wholesale Price to strike through the retail price and show the cheaper B2B rate, and use the Show Customer Group banner to remind them which special pricing they're receiving at the top of the form. After that, click the Items per Page dropdown to control how many products load at once. For example, we're going to reduce it from 20 down to 10 for easier scrolling. Now it's time to brand it. Pick a preset theme like Minimal, Polaris, Brand T, or Dark. You can also adjust the color for background, primary, text, or border to open the color picker pop-up. Just drag the circle to find your perfect shade or type in your brand's exact hex code. Now let's style the structure. Set your font family, choose Inherit from Theme to match your Shopify store automatically. You can type in a font size like 18 pixels or 15 pixels, then pick a border style like solid or dashed if you want. And finally, adjust row spacing, tight or loose to give your products some breathing room. Next, scroll down to this read-only area just to quickly double-check which wholesale discounts are currently active for your buyers. Once you are happy for customizing your form, scroll all the way back up to the top right and click that Save button. And there you have it. Customizing your wholesale bulk order form is really simple. If you want to change things up as your brand grows, you can always come right back here and experiment with new looks in the live preview. And thanks for watching.